The Adventure of Frederica the Fox. Once upon a time in a vibrant forest, there lived a clever little fox named Frederica. Frederica was always up to something, and today was no different. One sunny morning, Frederica noticed that the mischievous squirrels were causing trouble. They were acting against the peaceful rules of the forest by throwing nuts at the birds. Frederica, who often acted as a peacekeeper in the forest, knew she had to do something. Frederica decided to act on her instincts and came up with a plan. She called all the animals together and said, "We need to stop the squirrels from acting out before things get worse. Let's add on some fun games to keep them busy and happy." The animals agreed, and they all allowed for a bit of mischief, knowing it would keep the squirrels entertained. Frederica set up a game where the squirrels could throw nuts into baskets instead of at the birds. As the squirrels played, the birds joined in, adding to the fun. Everyone was having a great time. However, not everyone was on board. The old owl, known for being a bit grumpy, started to answer back with complaints. "This won't work, Frederica," the owl hooted. But Frederica, with a twinkle in her eye, said, "Don't worry, Owl. I'll answer for any trouble." Just as Frederica predicted, the squirrels were too busy playing to cause any more chaos. Frederica even asked out the shy rabbit, who usually hid from the noisy games, to join in. "Come on, Rabbit. This will be fun," she encouraged. By the end of the day, the forest was more peaceful than ever. The animals thanked Frederica for her clever plan. Frederica knew she had acted against the usual way of dealing with problems, but sometimes you have to add on a little fun to solve big problems. And so Frederica the Fox became a hero in the forest, not just for her cleverness, but for her ability to act on her instincts, act as a leader, and bring everyone together.